Okay, so it's blackberry cobbler and turkey and dressing.
Green bean casserole.
Broccoli and cheese and rice casserole for me.
Oyster dressing.
Stuffing and cranberry sauce and turkey and pie and mashed potatoes and gravy and biscuits and a nap when I'm done eating.
Turkey and hot sauce.
My favorite Thanksgiving dish is my grandma's liver dumplings.
My favorite dish would be stuffing. That's my favorite. And chicken and dumplings.
You gotta give me turkey and mashed potatoes.
Dirt cake.
I love my chicken wings.
Pumpkin pie.
Sweet potatoes with marshmallows.
Oh, banana puddings.
Sweet potato casserole.
My favorite Thanksgiving dish is pumpkin pie.
Best thing that I can think of is hand rolls.
I'm a big fan of mashed potatoes. Really enjoy some good mashed potatoes. I think that's a make or break for the meal. Like turkey, everybody kind of gets the same turkey and stuff, and then you've got stuffing and whatnot. But mashed potatoes, that's a way to my heart.
I guess this year I'm thankful for my family's health and my job.
I'm thankful for family, for friends, and for gathering togetherness.
I'm thankful for this job and obviously all the opportunities that Tim provides for us. With Thanksgiving coming up, I'm obviously grateful for the time that we're about to spend together and obviously the good food. And last but not least, I am thankful that it's almost the end of 2021.
My job and my family.
I am thankful for my wife and for the new truck I'm about to get in the next week.
I'm thankful for green bean casserole.
I'm thankful for my new grandson, most of all. And then let's see, my friends, my family, and my new work family give me the opportunity to grow here.
Well, I am thankful first off for my family, not only my home life family, but also my work family. I'm also thankful for the opportunities that I've been blessed with. And ultimately, I am just thankful for being able to help others and create a lasting impression.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is getting together with all my family and just having all the cousins and aunts and uncles and everybody together in one house.
Just spending time with my family, chilling with my family.
Getting together, family and friends.
Family, as well as having everybody there in one household.
Would have to be, it's not really a tradition, more of like a memory. Sorry, I switched up the question on you. I remember every Thanksgiving, my grandma would be making mashed potatoes, and she made some pretty buttery mashed potatoes. So my cousins and I really liked them. And she would always be telling me and my cousins to get our spoons out of her mashed potatoes before they were done.
Spend time with my family.
Watching NFL on Thanksgiving.
To see my great grandmother and to have family time.
Every Wednesday night in Austin, Texas, a really good friend of mine named John D. Graham plays at the Continental Club. The Wednesday before Thanksgiving, everybody comes back to Austin, and a whole bunch of old friends from all around the country and the globe tend to show up at the Continental Club to see him play. That's my favorite thing.